My parents wanted me to go to Ateneo. So at first, kina-question ko sila kung bakit ganyan, bakit. Kasi as children siguro, kailangan mo sila pakinggan kasi they know what's best for their children naman. Kasi we have two different personalities and attitude. Pero alam ko sa sarili ko na ginagawa niya lang yan para sa akin. I'm thankful na my dad was there, na pinili niya yung tama para sa akin. Actually kasi, this is his dream to be able to play in the UAP. Actually, when I started playing volleyball nung siguro grade 6 or tas tumuloy ako ng high school, after my 4th year of high school, sinabi ko na ayoko na. Kaso gusto niyang ituloy talaga. Pinupush niya talaga ako. Kahit sinasabi ko, kahit pagod na ako, kahit ayoko na. So he really pushed me talaga. Thankful ako kasi hindi naman ako makarating dito kung hindi dahil doon sa push niya. Whew. Am I gonna cry? Siguro besides God, besides myself, my parents wasn't there kasi malayo sila. But as of now sa team, kailangan ako and my purpose is for me to help them, for me to be there kung anong kailangan nila.